Lax for Dads is a resource for parents that don't have a lacrosse background to help you grow and develop your players at home. Today we're going to talk about ball protection. One of the most obvious ways to spot an experienced player on the field is their ability to carry the ball, especially through pressure. It's also one of the easiest things you can work on with your kids at home. This series of drills focuses on using the basic cradle and hand switching skills that we demonstrated in our ball protection basics video. They really work equally well for boys and girls and are designed for beginning players. The first drill we're going to talk about is a zigzag cradle. In this drill, you'll have cones set up in a zigzag pattern. You'll have your player work cone to cone, just focusing on moving, changing directions, and continuing to work a cradle as they move the ball. At the top cone, you'll see that they switch hands and work the opposite hand cradle back to the beginning. This next drill is the Zigzag Switch. This is essentially a build on the first drill. The only thing we're doing differently here is we're switching at each cone. So you see the players switching hands as they approach each cone and roll back to the next one. The big thing for them to focus on here is to keep the stick away from the defender. What I mean by that is that if they're moving to their left, they keep the stick in their left hand. If they're moving to their right, they keep the stick in their right hand. The next drill we're going to talk about is the pass and switch. In this drill, we're still focusing on a good switch and cradle. What we're adding to it is a pass and catch. So at each cone, the player is going to pass the ball. You are going to throw it back. They're going to catch it. They're going to approach you, switch hands as they approach you, and continue to the cone. Then they're going to turn, throw the ball back, catch it again, and same thing with the other hand. So we're doing this from right hand and left hand. So if you're not really comfortable catching and throwing with a lacrosse stick, another option you can use is a hand toss method. The drill is essentially the same. You're just catching and tossing by hand. And the other thing you'll notice here is that I'm using a Swax Lax ball, which is a soft beanbag style ball you can buy online. Thanks for watching today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click to subscribe or check out our next video.